Hey everybody, it's Chris. I thought I would share a little bit of my gardens with you tonight. I've got a project to show you, but this is part of what takes up my other time when I'm not playing in the studio and making pretty things. This is Charlie, is the gray kitty. Jax is the little floofy one. He's very floofy. He's just a baby. He's not quite a year old. Please don't mind the bags of mulch and the hose that we have sitting here. But this is part of our Japanese inspired garden. We went to San Francisco, 6 years ago now, I guess. And we went to the city park and they had a Japanese tea garden there. And I absolutely loved it. So that kind of inspired to build this part of the yard into a Japanese garden. I already had the basalt column fountain that you see over here. But I've added some little Japanese maples. We had this great big one already. It's been here almost 11 years now. It's doing very nice. But you can see we have lots of little places to sit. This is Charlie's favorite spot, is on the bench, and Ranger's hanging out with him. But I have some different Japanese maples, lots of statuary. We have some pines out here. And then the rest of our yard is there to the back. That's just regular garden space. But this up front is the Japanese garden, or what we call the Japanese garden. So I've got a setup over here on the patio table, so that you can kind of see what we're doing today. I just wanted to show you these super cute interchangeable doors. These are from Sawdust Makery, and I'm in a club that she introduces a new club package every month on the 5th. And the first one that we received was this particular door style, and it was a lavender inset, which I'm going to show you that one as well. But you can see I'm slightly obsessed with these, and I wanted to make some other ones that were different colors. But these two here are the ones that are the I don't even know what style of door that is. I should know. I really should know. But anyway, this was the first door that we received. And then this month, she had opened up the club to new members, and she created a brand new door for us, which was the shaker, or the craftsman style door, which is this guy here that I just could not wait to paint. She has also given us some really amazing inserts. The lemon one is from a couple of months ago, and right now I have our kitchen done in lemons. So this one was actually in our kitchen, and I just think it's super cute. So they all have a lot of little extra fun accessories, and you don't have to use all of them. I just think they're super cute. So we have the little corn stalks for the scarecrow one, and I took it a step further and painted like little Indian corn, multicolored corn on mine. And then there's like a little blackbird, and of course the scarecrow. This is a 4th of July, Memorial Day. Really, it could be like anything American, I think. But really just so pretty. I love the little basket of flowers that's on the porch too. And this one is actually a double-sided door. So one side is white and the other one's navy. So you can also do that with these sets too, is you can make two different colored doors. The first one I made, this door is a zinc color, but they're really fun to change out. Let me set my camera down and see if we can zoom out here. I'm just gonna take this one, and she has a new set that's a goose, which I have my own personal reasons why I don't like geese. But you know, they're making a comeback. So I finally succumbed when I saw this goose set, because I was like, all right, I'll go ahead and paint one because it is kind of cute. But I just wanted to show you, this is probably a little bit better view for you. I just wanted to show you how they work. So this is just a little porch leaner sign, and that comes out of the slot, and then the lemon basket comes out. And then this one had a little lemon topiary. And then I put a little picket fence on this one. And then this just pops out. This is a tight fit. So there's just a little hole in the back, and you can pop it out. And then let's go ahead and set up the goose. So here's the little door hanger for the goose. Some of these fit kind of snug, and I think that's just how I cut the file. And then this one also has little shutters. Now I did not go with the usual blue. I used periwinkle blue because I couldn't make myself do like the country blue. If you're old enough, you remember country blue like I do. Pull this a little further. Okay, and then this one has another little porch leaner sign. Almost all of her sets I feel like have a porch leaner. You don't have to use them, but they're super cute. And then of course we have a bigger goose that's gonna go over here on this side. So, I mean, you gotta admit, it's kind of cute, right? And sometimes when I'm talking to my granddaughter Cece and she does something funny, I tell her she's a silly goose. So today when I showed Cece the goose, she thought it was hilarious and she started laughing. She's 18 months, but she's the most adorable little girl you've ever seen. Of course, that's grandma talking, and I might be slightly biased, but hey. So anyhow, so this is the little goose set, and I think it's just really cute when it's all put together, but it's just fun to kind of change things out. And then I'm going to use this one and show you the lavender set. And we're gonna switch it around and we're gonna put some little picket fences, and we're gonna use the navy blue. Now some of these fit kind of snug, which, I mean, you want them to fit snug because you don't want them falling out, but it'd be nice if they were a little bit looser to get out easier. And then, there we go. And I'm just gonna pop out my little door hanger. And then I'm gonna flip it around, and you can see that I have a navy blue door. So I think this is a fun way to do it, to have two different colors of doors. We are gonna use the picket fence. If I can get that guy in there. And we're gonna use both picket fences. And as I said, this was the first one that Chris did, and she has definitely perfected this whole thing and come up with some really amazing inserts for it. So there's our little sign, and then our little porch leaner sign, and then our little pot of lavender. And how cute is that? And this slot is all the way across, so you can kind of move things around, but isn't that adorable? I mean, come on. And that navy door, yeah, it's good. It's really good, right? So the other thing that Chris did with this big one, this Craftsman style door that she just released, this guy actually has 3 slots, and they're all the way across, which is kind of cool because that gives you a little bit more option. I mean, if you're doing this full door with the side lights, it takes the whole back slot, but it's kind of nice to have the different slots, and you kind of helps to create some depth. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I would love to send you a kit if you're interested in making some of these. If you don't live close to me, I would love to ship a kit to you. Whenever I ship out kits, they include everything that you need: the glue, the brushes, the paint, everything you need to complete the set. And I think that this is probably going to be my next class offering that I do. And I'll just let people like choose which one they'd like to do. It'll probably be a $40 class because there's a lot of stuff here. And we'll probably make a double-sided door. You can choose either between the first style door and make a double-sided door, or you can choose the Craftsman door, and it'll just be a single-sided door. But I'm thinking that's probably going to be my next class offering because I just really love these sets, and there's just so many different things to choose from, and I feel like there's something for everyone in that. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.